In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a MOV file in Davinci Resolve. Whether you're new to video editing or just tackling this process for the first time, we'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you understand each part fully. So let's get started and simplify this for you. First off, you want to make sure you have Davinci Resolve installed on your computer. It's a powerful software by Blackmagic Design, renowned for its comprehensive video editing capabilities. Once you have it up and running, it's time to move into the program itself. Open Davinci Resolve from your applications, and you'll be greeted by the initial screen. Here, you'll see a list of projects. If you already have a project you're working on, you can go ahead and click on that. If not, feel free to create a new project by selecting the appropriate option. Once your project is open, you'll want to navigate to the Edit page. This is your main workspace in Davinci Resolve, where most of the editing magic happens. It's designed to give you everything you need to assemble your video efficiently, from your timeline to various editing tools. Next, you need to access your media files. Do this by going to the media pool. You can find the media pool within the Edit page. It's essentially the library where all your usable media can be stored while working on a project. After opening the media pool, look for the option labelled Import Media. Clicking this will open a file browser window where you can navigate through your computer's directories. It's quite handy for quick access. When the file browser opens, navigate to the folder where your MOV file is stored. Once there, look for your MOV file. MOV is a file format used quite often for video files, and Davinci Resolve handles it nicely, so rest assured your import will be smooth. Select the MOV file by clicking on it. After selecting Confirm your choice, this action imports the file into the media pool. Now your MOV file is ready to be used within your project. You can drag it onto the timeline and begin your edit. Having your file in the media pool means it's ready to be manipulated just like any other footage, giving you the freedom to cut, trim, add effects, or whatever your creative vision entails. There you have it, a straightforward way to import MOV files into Davinci Resolve. With these steps, you'll be equipped to bring in any MOV footage and incorporate it into your projects seamlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your editing workflow. Thanks for watching and happy editing.